Hello guys, today I'm gonna review a pocket-friendly 2.1 Bluetooth multimedia speaker which is the F&D A180X. I have used these speakers for roughly 20 days now. I bought it from Amazon for 2800 rupees. You might get it cheaper offline. So about the speaker, we get two small speakers with power output of 14 watts each and a large subwoofer also with the same RMS of 14 watt, which makes the total output of 42 watts. Although there is no light on the speakers, it looks pretty amazing thanks to the pyramid shaped design on the front. As you can see on the sticker above here, it has Bluetooth, it has a LED display, it can read USB, and it also has the FM radio, and you will also get a remote controller inside the box. On the left side of the speaker there is a bass controller here, and there are two inputs where you can put the aux cable which is provided inside the box, and there are two places for output which are connected with the small speakers here, and there is a very small power on off button. In the back of the subwoofer there is a small hole for passing out of air. The subwoofer is made out of wood except for the front, which is made out of hard plastic. Also the two speakers are made out of plastic, but the plastic is of very high quality. The build quality of everything is decent and the looks are kinda premium even in absence of a light. The provided remote controller has every button which you will need to control the speakers, although I have faced some problems with the volume up down buttons. Even in absence of remote, there are few controls which are provided on the top of the subwoofer, which you will find handy in case you misplace the remote. Let's put its sound to a test at a volume of 24. It can go up to 30 actually, but I think 24 is pretty decent for a small room. So let's come to the verdict. I think anyone who is buying his first home theater system and want a budget friendly one, I think it is the speaker for you. Its bass and clarity can be justified through a YouTube video, although I won't compare it with Sony or Bose or JBL, but still looking at the price tag, it is the best in the market.